What's up, guys? Welcome to Minneapolis, Minnesota. I'm actually here with one special guest, one Salma Moani. So today, just headed downtown, and then haven't really planned out this part of the day yet, so we'll see how it goes. And we will see you in a moment, as soon as we can find ourselves a way down, because apparently everything in this airport is one way only. Are we going to catch that elevator? I don't think we're going to make it.
It's a very convenient location, right off the subway.
It's true. Got a decent haul. Corn for tonight, so I mean, I'm excited. Yeah. Alright, onwards. On to the art. Like last week was also at a sculpture park, this week is no different. Currently in the Minneapolis Sculpture Park. As you can see behind me, there is a giant cherry with a giant spoon. And then over here, we got ourselves another, well, you can't really see, but giant blue rooster. More stuff. More stuff back there somewhere. Anyway. Very interesting. We shall continue on. Also, all those bells you hear, it's from the church that is... Well, there's a blue rooster again. From this church right here, it's making a ton of noise. It was actually louder about 10 minutes ago, and it's been non-stop. Currently just scouting out where the fireworks are going to occur from. So it's actually back here. Where's that budget truck?
Behind that pot of
right there. Right around here. Around this area. Yeah, so fireworks going to happen out there. I think we might be able to actually see it from our view in our room, but we will double check. But now we're actually going to head back to our room only because, well, two things. One, we're both exhausted, and then we need naps. And then number two, my battery is pretty much dead. There's only like 8% left, so. We finally found all the people after like a day of searching. All right, we hear fireworks, but we see nothing. Missed nothing. Nothing. That's what we came for, the Aquatennial or something?
Aquatennial. Aquatennial.
Was it Aquatennial?
Yes, Aquatennial.
Okay. Yeah, so Aquatennial, fireworks, summer, explosion, something, something, something. Alright, welcome to day 2 of Minneapolis. We just checked out of our Airbnb, getting some breakfast, and then gonna figure out our way out to Minnehaha Falls and Mall of America. We were just in Minnehaha Park. We saw the waterfall, which you will see. Oh, garden, yes. And then after seeing said waterfall, we followed the water down until we realized if we kept going, we would have to come all the way back. And so we aborted the mission and walked back up, according to one kid, exactly 100 stairs. And we are now in garden everywhere. We are done. Time to find them all and, you know, be very American. How was it?
Oh, a lot of fun.
A lot of fun? Yeah, I thought it was pretty good. Yeah.
It's great.
Yeah. I don't have anything else to say. I think that's it. See you guys next time. What is it called again?
It's called double star.
How original was it?